Hello everyone and welcome to the WonderHub Learning Centre. I'm Brian Ebury, your WonderHub Experience Officer. In this session, we'll guide you through Whiteboard, an app designed to make teaching both easier and more effective. Much like a traditional blackboard, Whiteboard preserves the natural feel of handwriting, but it also offers a rich variety of tools and resources, taking your classroom experience to the next level. At the bottom of the whiteboard, you'll find the main navigation bar. This includes brush settings, the resource library, and canvas management. On the left, you can access background settings, AI recognition, dual colour writing, and options to save your work. And in the centre, you'll find brush styles, teaching tools, and the resource search. And on the right, you can manage canvases, you can add new ones, delete old ones, or move around using canvas navigation. The bottom bar gives you access to all Whiteboard functions. But if you're teaching lessons that need more writing or drawing space, you can switch the menu to a sidebar and hide the bottom bar. From there, you can build a custom toolbar, saving your most frequently used tools. Whiteboard lets you work with up to 50 canvases, freely added, removed, or switched between as needed. It also offers preset backgrounds such as music staves or lined paper. Teachers can switch between them or change the colours whenever you like. Each canvas supports both writing and drawing, ideal for higher education where multiple backgrounds are often required. To jump to a specific area, quickly use canvas navigation. It shows a full overview, including live handwriting, so you can instantly jump to the right spot. Teachers can also enable split screen mode, allowing several students to work on the panel at once, and from the sidebar, choose between 2, 3, 4, 6, or even 8 sections. Each student can use a brush to write in their own area. Whiteboard includes 3 brush types: watercolour, fountain pen, and chalk, all of which can be resized and recoloured. If you want to adjust your handwriting, use selection mode to change the colour or edit parts of your writing. Enable this by selecting the icon or use finger and pen separation. With finger operation turned on, you write with the pen and select with your hand. For maths or art classes where multiple chalk colours are useful, the WonderHub pen supports dual colour writing, one at the tip and one at the end. Whiteboard supports 50 points of writing, so many students can write or draw at the same time, even in split screen. When it's time to erase, use the standard eraser tool or go further. We've created classic blackboard gestures, palm erase, selection erase for finer control. That's our walkthrough of the canvas and brush tools in Whiteboard. We'll be back with more great features, so stay tuned.